Have you ever seen an animal that plays like a kid, swims like an athlete, and cracks open food with its favorite rock? Well, meet Otto and his friends, nature's playful genius. Today, we're diving into the splashy, silly, and surprisingly smart world of these furry water acrobats. Fun fact number 1. Otters love to play. Otters sliding, wrestling, and chasing each other isn't just cute. It actually helps them build strength and practice survival skills. Fun fact number 2. They have built-in life jackets. An otter's fur is so thick and fluffy that it traps air, helping them float easily on their backs, like their own personal floaties.
Fur built for the cold. Ever wonder how otters stay warm in icy water? Their secret weapon, the thickest fur of any mammal. 1 million hairs packed into every square inch. That's fluffier than 100 sweaters combined. This fur traps tiny air bubbles, acting like a warm blanket and a flotation device. The otter's fur coat is a miracle of nature.
Fun fact number 3. Rock pockets are real. Some otters keep a favorite rock tucked under their arm. They use it to crack open clams and shellfish, tool-using champions. Fun fact number 4. They hold hands. Sea otters hold hands when they sleep so they don't drift away from each other. It's called a raft, and yes, it's as cute as it sounds. Fun fact number 5. Super swimmers. With long tails, webbed feet, and sleek bodies, otters can swim up to 7 miles per hour. Talk about underwater athletes.
Fun fact number 6. Invite us to dinner. Because we are not picky eaters and our favorite foods depend on our species and environment. But we generally favor fish and crustaceans. Fun fact number 7. Otters do not make good pets. Why? Because they are wild animals with specific needs that are difficult to meet in a typical home, including specialized diets, large water sources, and social interaction with other otters. They are also prone to being destructive, loud, and aggressive, especially when stressed, and keeping them is often illegal and contributes to illegal wildlife trade. Fun fact number 8. Otters are guardians of the waterways. Otters do more than entertain. They protect entire ecosystems. By eating sea urchins, they allow kelp forests to grow. By managing fish and crustacean populations, they keep rivers healthy. Where otters thrive, nature thrives. They are playful heroes with a purpose. Baby otters, also called pups, are born small, fluffy, and totally adorable. They usually weigh less than a pound at birth and are completely dependent on their mothers. Fun fact number 10. There are 14 existing species of otters. There are 14 existing species, all semi-aquatic or marine, with varied diets based on crustaceans, fish, mollusks, amphibians, invertebrates, and more.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some fun facts about otters. Now, here are some ways humans can help support us. Humans can support otters by protecting their habitats, reducing pollution, maintaining a safe distance from them in the wild, and supporting conservation organizations. Specific actions include planting native plants near waterways, properly disposing of waste, using environmentally friendly products, and never feeding or harassing otters.